it's trying to get one over on me. So it had a misfire. Cylinder 2, cylinder 4. So I got a lot of TIG ones, as you know. So you could change a lot of parts from one TIG one to the next. You wouldn't say this is running bad, right?
No, it's working.
Like, you wouldn't say it's terrible. So yeah, so I got it this morning, it's misfiring. Idling only. Changed my coil pads, still misfire. I changed my spark plugs, still misfire. So what's the problem, Ryan? Well, what's the problem in Volkswagen land? If you don't have a burnt valve or a bad piston ring or something, I threw my camera down there, my scope. I'm able to look at everything, and believe it or not, everything looked really nice. Like, nicer than some cars. So what's my problem, Ryan? So on your Volkswagen, on your direct injector, that's key. You don't get your valves cleaned by the fuel injectors. I know that sounds a little crazy or wompy to you, but on a normal car, you have your injector, you have your valve, it shoots fuel, it cleans your valve, it goes into the cylinder. Crazy world. Now you just have the cylinder going up and down and the fuel's directly injected. Get it? Direct injected. So now it doesn't clean your valve, and what happens is these get carboned up. And when they're cold, like see right now, see no misfire. Like maybe I'll do a video that we could add to this one tomorrow morning. No misfire, just steady state, no problem. That tells me there's enough carbon on the valves that they're keeping the valves open just a little bit, especially on a cold start that starts misfiring like that.
Yeah.
Because I changed the two biggest components of a misfire, plug, coil pad. And it didn't fix it. Like, it didn't change anything. And like I said, I put my camera in, and I know that it's not, like, there's not a major component. Like, you hear it spinning the tire? You feel like your life's in danger? Maybe. But look how good this thing runs, Ryan. Like, this runs great, you know what I mean? So, I know deep down...
No phone connected.
Sorry.
Please connect a paired phone.
Sorry, hon. But it runs great. So that just tells me that we have to take the intake manifold off, and we have to put the carbon. Oh! Yeah, so we'll have to do a carbon cleaning on this one, which honestly we do on a lot of them. But it's very tricky, Ryan. Only misfire and idle, but never as you drive it or anything else. So I guess a tip to some people. I think most of your true mechanics know that already.